In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove the shopping cart from GoDaddy Website Builder. First, sign in to your GoDaddy account and go to your Website Builder dashboard. Once you are inside the dashboard, find the website that has the shopping cart you want to change. Select that website, then click Edit Website to open the editor. When the editor loads, move to the left-hand navigation menu. This is where you can manage the main parts of your site. Depending on how your website is set up, click Store or Pages. In some GoDaddy websites, shopping features are managed under the Store section. In others, they may appear within your page settings. After that, look for the shopping cart or cart section. Once you find it, open the cart settings. This area will give you the options to manage how the shopping cart works on your website. If you want to completely remove the shopping cart feature, choose Delete. This will permanently remove it from the site. If you do not want to delete it completely, you can choose Disable instead. This option turns off the shopping cart without fully removing it, which can be useful if you may want to use it again later. After selecting either Delete or Disable, GoDaddy will usually ask you to confirm your choice. Review the prompt carefully, then confirm the action you want to take. This is an important step because deleting the cart may be permanent, while disabling it is usually easier to reverse. Once the action has been confirmed, click Save to apply the changes inside the editor. Saving makes sure your updates are stored in the website builder. However, the change will not appear on your live website until you publish it. To finish, click Publish. This will push the updated version of your site live, so the shopping cart is either removed or disabled based on the option you selected. After publishing, it is a good idea to visit your website and check that the cart is no longer visible and that everything looks the way you expect. That is the full process for removing the shopping cart from GoDaddy Website Builder. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to update your website in just a few minutes. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.